how German sounds to a non-German speaker. Ever wondered what your native tongue might sound like to someone who's never heard it before? Let's take a listen and find out. Bratken soll mit Ganko Feldrand Uskif Brandvik Walmut Schlaven Drashik Jobant Merko Glosvik Dreflan Votik Brakten Freudem Sonntef Brenkot. Blotran Wielstoff Remke Jobant Drofnik Quen war Felgen Stork im Brennlot Schrofnik Meldhorn Tulgrit Markin Bontag Lenkor Festum Maitok. So fring Longvet Brandvik Selbrat Grumsen Dresvik Bortan Senwerk Tomkrat Drofnik Flemtok Boilan Questan Tulfet Grantok Sebring. Of course, this doesn't actually sound like real German. It's just a playful twist. This channel is all about language gibberish after all. But there will always be those who miss the joke and comment that this isn't what the language sounds like. Makes me feel like I can read minds. Hit follow if you want more of Spongebob hilariously mangling more languages in pure gibberish.